This is the lowest price I've ever seen for the ArtSpace lifetime deal. Black Friday came early, with unlimited AI images forever, for just $129, or even less. But I'll talk about that in a moment. First, let's take a look at the recent update that made ArtSpace even more complete and easier to use. I'm talking about the 101 new one-click AI tools. They just keep growing. 72 at launch, then 89, and now 101. And I have a feeling this number will keep going up. Everything you can imagine to create and edit AI images with total ease. That's the goal of these new tools. Because let's be honest, today you can generate images even for free using ChatGPT or Google Nano Banana. But the workflow isn't always smooth or fast, especially for beginners. That's where ArtSpace really shines. It gives you simple, purpose-built tools that make the process effortless. Some examples, from the basic AI image generation and upscaling tools, to swapping faces, changing scenes, poses, or expressions, adding or removing tattoos, accessories or clothing, or creating any kind of avatar, you can literally become a superhero. You can even put yourself in a completely different world or situation. Your imagination is the only limit. And these are just ready-made presets anyone can use with one click. But of course, you can generate whatever you want. Up to unlimited AI images and edits by combining the Black Friday and lifetime deals of ArtSpace. If you can't wait, the link's in the description. But if you want to see the magic in action, stay with me. For example, how about putting me in a T-Rex attack scene? Or maybe riding a lion through the savannah. I could even place a product in someone's hands, which is pure gold for advertising. Alright, time to talk about this deal. $129 for the unlimited plan. One-time payment for life. In a second, I'll tell you how you can pay even less. But first, why is the price so low? Well, first, it's Black Friday season, which means massive savings on your favorite tools. Second, they've introduced a new relaxed option. This means the same features but at a lower price. During peak times, image generation might be a bit slower, about 1.3 to 1.5 times the normal speed depending on server load. Basically, you trade a bit of time for extra savings. That's how the new relaxed plans work. Of course, if you prefer faster generation, you can switch back to standard mode. The price goes up a little, but not much. Even with the standard mode, this is still a fantastic deal. And the best part? You can try ArtSpace completely risk-free for 7 days. The refund policy is simple and transparent. You get 7 days to test it out. If you're not satisfied and you've generated fewer than 100 images, you can request a refund. No problem. Want to save even more? You have a few tricks available. First, try closing the page in your browser, and boom, you'll see another 10% discount pop up. Not bad at all. That works for every plan. Because yes, you can also save by choosing smaller plans. Just remember, that means fewer images and features. It's your call. I've made several videos about ArtSpace, even before all these new one-click tools were added. You can find them here on my channel to get a better idea of how everything works. But wait, the surprises don't stop there. ArtSpace gives you unlimited AI images. But what about unlimited AI voiceovers and voice clones? That's where VoiceWave comes in. Created by the same developer behind ArtSpace, VoiceWave lets you generate unlimited voices with the same Black Friday and lifetime deal at just $129. It also offers both standard and relaxed modes, with 71 voices in 38 languages. To be honest, this might not be the perfect tool for high-end professional voiceovers. There are more advanced solutions for that. But for TikTok videos, faceless YouTube channels, or social media content, it's absolutely perfect. And when it comes to value for money, it's unbeatable. You can test all the available voices yourself by clicking the link in the description.
What's up, everyone? Today we're diving into something absolutely game-changing.
Take a deep breath and relax your shoulders. Let the tension melt away as you focus on the present moment. Feel the calm washing over you like gentle waves on a peaceful shore.
And also check the quality of the voice cloning.
I don't know about you, but I am tired of paying $200 plus every month for AI art tools like Midjourney. Previously on Dragon Wars, the kingdom fell into darkness as the ancient prophecy began to unfold.
That's it for now. A double Black Friday offer, a double opportunity. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next one.